3 and Year 4. Happy Friday. Today is day 5 of our continuous learning all about money. So far we've managed to use mental math skills to figure out how to add amounts up in our head. We've also worked on using an empty number line to calculate change. Today you're looking at a range of problem-solving activities. And again, a lot like yesterday, your work is separated. So Year 4, you've got some set tasks, and Year 3, you've got some different tasks. So look carefully at your PDF. To begin with, Year 4, you have got some word problems. If you turn to those word problems for me now, we can go through the first one together. So the first one says, I buy a pen for £1.70 and a notepad for £3.20. How much do I spend all together? We use the rucksack method to help us figure out what the question wants us to do. So R stands for read the question. U stands for underline key numbers and words. C stands for calculate. Now I've looked at the word all together, so I know that my operation is going to be add. Okay? So I'm going to calculate it and then move on to S of our rucksack, which stands for solve. Okay? So £1.70 plus £3.20. £1 in my head, add on £3 to make £4. 70 pence in my head, add on 20 pence to make 90 pence. Okay, so I know my first answer is going to be £4.90. Okay, so we've done the first one together. Have a look at your other questions. And again, really think about using the rucksack method. Read the question, underline key numbers and keywords. C stands for calculate. So what operation are you going to use? What operations? S stands for solve. Okay, so show you're working out. A stands for answer it. And C stands for check. Does your answer make sense? Okay. All the best with your first activity, Year 4, and you will also find the answers to each of the word problems on your PDF. So after you have managed to complete your word problems, Year 4, you've also got a few reasoning problems. Okay? So the first challenge is asking you to put the coins in order and in specific ways. Okay? So just read the questions carefully. And challenge B is also using the money here. Okay? Year 3, got your answer on the next page. You have got a shopping challenge that looks like this. Okay, so you're going to have fun with that, I hope. So the first one is asking you what the price, or the total price of an apple and a banana is. So turn to your PDF and we'll go through the first one together. So we know that's an apple, according to the pictures at our grocery store, costs 50 pence. And a banana costs 40 pence. Again, using mental strategy. So 50p in my head. Some of you will be very clever and you can add the 40p straight away. If you're not so sure, why not try counting in groups of 10? So 4 groups of 10. So 50 in my head, add on 4 groups of 10. 60, 70, 80, 90. So the answer is 90 pence. Okay? So it's fairly straightforward usually. I hope you have fun with your activity. You're looking at the pictures, you're seeing how much each item costs, and you're adding it all together, and then the answers again are on the next slide. I hope that you have had a productive week. As I mentioned before, please make sure that you are taking pictures of your work and sending it to your teacher so that they can monitor your progress. Okay? And all the best. I hope that you've managed to do most of the activities independently, and if you ever get stuck, don't fear going back and looking at some of the tutorials from throughout the week. See you later. Bye.